This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
To take advantage of the many available features in Audi Connect, it is essential to set a key user, the owner or primary user of the vehicle. Download the My Audi app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. When you first create your My Audi account in the app, after choosing a password and entering personal information, you will be directed to enter information about your new vehicle, starting with a vehicle identification number or VIN. The information needed can be found on your Audi Connect activation card. Enter the VIN, then select Search VIN. If a valid VIN is entered, your vehicle will appear. Verify your personal information. Your personal My Audi portal will load. Select Complete Setup to create the key user or primary user of the vehicle. To do so, you'll need to verify your identity with your preferred Audi retailer. Select a 4-digit PIN to be associated with your key user account. Next, select Dealer as your verification method. Read and review the terms and conditions of the Audi Key User Agreement and confirm that you accept them. Call your preferred Audi dealer to complete your identity verification. They will use your personal information to verify your key user agreement. Once this is completed, you will see Identity Confirmed in the app. You can then set the key user in the vehicle. Select Two instructions for information on connecting My Audi to your Audi vehicle. You will need your vehicle code. This code is found on your activation card. Remove the security film from the vehicle code. Input the vehicle code into the corresponding field. This step will not be necessary if you previously scanned your Audi Connect activation card. You will now be instructed to connect My Audi to your Audi vehicle through the MMI User Management tab. Enter the email address and password you used to establish your My Audi account. Once you have successfully logged in, the MMI will save the vehicle settings to your online profile. Your personal vehicle settings will download to the vehicle. You may be asked if you wish to stay logged in, eliminating the need for a PIN on future trips. Return to the My Audi app. You will see the key user icon appear on the homepage. The key user setup is now complete. Vehicle settings will be stored online and will be recovered each time the vehicle is started while logged into your My Audi account. If you experience any difficulty in setting up the key user, please contact Audi Connect support at 877-505-AUDI.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.